This creamy vegan Alfredo is dairy-free, budget-friendly, and honestly tastes way richer than you'd expect. It's a simple pasta dish that's perfect for weeknights, meal prep, or anyone trying to eat more plant-based without sacrificing comfort. Forget heavy creams and expensive ingredients. This recipe is all about simple, wholesome goodness that comes together in under 30 minutes. It's one of my go-to recipes when I'm craving something cozy and satisfying, but still want to keep things light and healthy. The secret, a magic ingredient that makes this sauce unbelievably creamy. I promise, you're going to love it. First things first, let's get our pasta cooking. Grab your favorite kind. Fettuccine is classic for Alfredo, but penne or spaghetti, or even gluten-free options work great too. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous pinch of salt. This is super important because it seasons the pasta from the inside out. Drop your pasta in and cook it according to the package directions until it's al dente. That means it should still have a little bite to it. Once it's done, drain it. But here's a pro tip. Save about a cup of that starchy pasta water. We'll use it later to help our sauce cling to every single noodle. Set your cooked pasta aside for now. Now for the star of the show. The creamy, dreamy, dairy-free Alfredo sauce. You won't believe how easy this is. In a high-speed blender, we're going to combine our secret ingredient, a block of silken tofu. This gives us that incredible creamy texture without any dairy. To that, add a couple of cloves of garlic for that classic savory flavor. Next, we'll add nutritional yeast, which is the key to that cheesy, nutty flavor we love in Alfredo. Don't skip this part. A good squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten everything up, and a drizzle of olive oil adds richness. Finally, season it with a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Now, just pop the lid on and blend everything until it's completely smooth and velvety. It should look like a thick, luscious cream. If you don't have a high-speed blender, a regular one will work. You might just need to scrape down the sides a few times to make sure everything is incorporated. We're almost there. Pour your beautiful sauce into a large pan or skillet over low heat. We just want to warm it through gently, so keep the heat low and stir it occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. If the sauce seems a little too thick, this is where that reserved pasta water comes in handy. Add a splash at a time, stirring it in until you reach your perfect sauce consistency. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon but still pourable. This starchy water also helps the sauce emulsify and stick to the pasta beautifully. Want the full card measurements? Grab our cookbook at the link in the description. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your cooked pasta directly into the pan with the warm sauce. Use a pair of tongs to toss everything together, making sure every single piece of pasta is generously coated in that creamy goodness. Keep tossing for about a minute until the pasta has absorbed some of the sauce and everything is heated through. And that's it. Your delicious, creamy vegan Alfredo is ready to serve. To finish, I love to plate it up with a generous crack of fresh black pepper and some finely chopped fresh parsley or basil for a pop of color and freshness. You could even add some roasted broccoli, mushrooms, or peas to make it a more complete meal. This dish is seriously so satisfying, and you would never guess it's completely vegan. It's proof that you don't need dairy to make something incredibly rich and comforting. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want more recipes like this, I will leave a link in the description below so you can browse our full cookbook sets in our Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy easy budget-friendly recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.